My Forex Funds is a leading prop firm in the industry. And now they have finally introduced unlimited trading days as competition in the prop firm industry heats up. The evaluation program at My Forex Funds is designed to test traders' skills and strategies. Traders are given a demo account with a certain amount of money to trade with. They are then evaluated based on their performance over a period of time. The evaluation program consists of a two-step process, with trading account sizes ranging from $5,000 to $300,000. The first profit split is paid out after 1 month, and then bi-weekly thereafter. Let us go over their evaluation program in detail. The evaluation program requires traders to achieve a profit target of 8% in Phase 1 and 5% in Phase 2, without violating any rules. This means that a trader with a $100,000 trading account must make $8,000 to pass Phase 1 and $5,000 to pass Phase 2. This program requires you to trade for at least 5 trading days, but you can trade as many days as you want to reach your profit target. My Forex Funds has finally added unlimited trading days to their program, but I'm surprised they didn't eliminate the minimum trading days requirement, as this has become an accepted standard for most prop firm traders. The daily drawdown is limited to 5%, and the overall drawdown is one of the highest in the industry at 12%. This means that on a $100,000 trading account, you cannot lose more than $5,000 per trading day or more than $12,000 overall. Daily drawdowns are calculated based on your balance or equity at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Your overall losses are calculated based on realized or unrealized losses from your initial starting trading balance. My Forex Funds offers up to 100 times leverage, and will refund your registration fees on your first payout if you pass Phase 1 and Phase 2 of their challenge. Their registration fees are some of the best in the industry, at $49 for a $5,000 trading account and $499 for a $100,000 trading account. Trade up to $600,000 in trading capital in any combination of these trading accounts. With minimum trading restrictions, My Forex Funds recommends traders maintain consistency and focus on risk management. You can trade news, hold trades overnight or over the weekend. Perfect for scalpers or swing traders. After the first month of trading, you will receive 75% of your profit. In your second month, you will receive 80% of your profit, paid bi-weekly. From the third month onwards, you will receive 85% of your profit, paid bi-weekly. Profit sharing is paid via deal as a bank transfer, PayPal, TransferWise or cryptocurrency. You can find updated discount codes for My Forex Funds in the community section of our channel. Like and subscribe.